Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Max Online class. So, in the previous class, I was giving the class work. Up to how many mains we have finished? I started the subtraction sums, isn't it? Addition we have finished, and I started the subtraction sums, subtractance, and draw the beads and subtract, isn't it? So, 3-4 mains I gave in the previous class, and addition statement sums all we have finished, isn't it? So now we'll continue the classwork. So all of you keep ready today also. Max classwork. Fresh page, keep ready and continue the classwork mains. Okay. So keep ready, Max. Classwork itself. We'll continue. I'm teaching in the online class also classwork mains, main by main. And it is sent through the PDF also. Okay. If anybody not seen through the online class, you can see in the PDF and copy the classwork mains. Okay, all the mains have sent through the PDF notes. Okay, children, shall I continue? Have you opened the fresh page classwork? Yes, right heading, subtract. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T, subtract. Subtractance I gave for homework also in the previous class, isn't it? So now write subtract sums. Leave a gap between the sum and copy the sums. Don't write together all together. Don't make it mess up. Okay. Leave some gap between each sum. One sum after leave some gap and copy the sums. If you don't have place, you can write it down by leaving 2-3 line gaps down. Okay. No need to write in the same line. For me, it is board I have written. Okay. So I'll explain how to do. Already you know. You explained in the previous class also, but one more time I'll explain for you. Okay. Then you can able to do the other sums. So first, have you opened the class of fresh page, written heading, subtract. Then copy down the sums. How to do? See. T means what? Tens. O means ones. When you have 2 digits addition or 2 digits subtraction, from which side you should start? You should start from right side, isn't it? Tens or ones, which side you will start? You will start from ones. This side. Right side always. So then see the symbol? This is subtraction. What is this? Subtraction. So subtraction means keep finger and fold. Do you remember? Like that you should do. Addition means find and finger. So don't get confusion. I am doing now subtraction sums. Start from ones. This is the right side. 5 minus 2. So how many fingers you'll keep? You'll keep the 5 fingers. Then fold how many? 2 fingers fold. 1, 2. How many balance? 1, 2, 3 balance. Okay. Next come to the tens. This side. Keep how many fingers? 9. Keep 9 fingers. What is the number given is down? 6. Cut how many fingers? 6 fingers cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the balance? 1, 2, 3 balance. Write down here. Below the sum only you should write the answer. Okay. If the number is there, writing the answer somewhere else. No. Below that number only, answer should be written correctly in the steps. Understand, children? 95 minus 62, 33 you have got. Check the answers once. Then come to the second sum. What is the second sum? 76 minus 53. So first do right side, this side. Always keep it in mind that start from right side. So keep how many fingers? 6 fingers keep. Fold how many? 3 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3 balance. Right here, 3. Next, keep 7 fingers. How many fingers? 7 fingers. Fold how many? 5 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the balance? 1, 2. So 76 minus 53, how much you got? 23 remaining. Check the answers. Next, come to the next sum. Keep how many fingers? You can only say no. 9 fingers keep. How many fingers keep? 9 fingers. Fold how many? 2 fingers fold. 1, 2. See how many balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balance. So write here 7. Here keep 6 minus 6. What is the answer? 6 minus 6? 0. See, keep 6 fingers. Hold all the 6. What's the answer? 0. 6 minus 6? 0. Understand? Next. 8 minus 0? 8 only. Do you remember? When we add 0 to any number, same number, add or subtract 0 to any number, the number remains the same. So 8 minus 0, 8 itself. You can try and see. 8 fingers keep. Okay. 0 means you won't fold anything. 8 remains the same, isn't it? 8 minus 0, 8 itself. Next, 7. Keep how many fingers? 7 fingers. Fold how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4 balance. 78 minus 30, 48. Next, 87 minus 23. Keep how many fingers? 7 fingers. Fold how many? 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4 balance. Understand, children, how I am doing? Slowly understand the sum, then do. Keep how many fingers? 8 fingers. Fold how many? 2 fingers fold. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balance. Understand? So last sum I have written here. So keep 8 fingers. Keep 8 fingers. Fold how many? 6 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the balance? 1, 2. Next. Keep 9 fingers. Keep 9 fingers. Fold 5. All the 5 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4. 98 minus 56 got 42 the answer. After doing, check it once. Okay. How to check? See. You can use one more method to check the answer. 5 and draw your 5 circles. Cut 2. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3. Here 9. Draw your 9 circles. Cut how many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3. So what answer you got? 95 minus 62, 33. Correct? Like that, you check the answer. Next. 6. Draw 6 circles. Cut how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3 balance. Right here. Next. Draw 7 circles. 5, 6, 7. Cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Balance 2. Circles and all don't draw in the classwork. Okay, you can try that in the rough notes. When you're doing in the classwork, if fingers fold, then write the answer. This all don't do. Okay, circles and all don't draw. Looks dirty then. You'll mix up all the circles. 76 minus 53, you got 23. Like that. Next, check the third sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cut 2. What? 2. What's the balance come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 minus 2, 7. This you know. 6 minus 6, 0. Understand? 8 minus 0, 8 only. 6, 7. You can draw your 7 circles. Cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just for to checking purpose, I am drawing the circles and showing for you once again. You know, you need not to draw the circles. Just check it in the rough note if you want. 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut 3. 3 cut it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 balance. Next 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut 2. How many balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balance. 87 minus 23. 64. Next, last sum. Draw your 8 circles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut 2. Okay. What's the, sorry, cut 6. Balance 2. Next. 9 circles. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. Cut 5, 4, 5. How many balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 42. Correct. Understand how to do the subtraction sums? Have you understood, children? Yes. Like this, you should do this main. So after doing, check it once. Subtract. T means 10, so means once. 95 minus 62. Have you got 33? How to do two methods? Also, I have shown you. Check it in that. 76 minus 53. 23. 69 minus 62. 7, 78 minus 30, 48, 87 minus 23, 4, 98 minus 56, 42. Have you written like this neatly? Okay. After doing this main, keep ready. Next main in the next page. Okay. In each page, only one sum should be written, as I told you earlier. Don't mix up all the mains in one page only. One page, only one main. Have you finished this? Shall I erase it? By the time I clear the board, you keep ready the next main in the next page. Yes. Shall we start next main? Right, next main heading. Word problems. Word problems. Word problems. One page, only one sum. Second sum, do in the next page. I am doing here only because it's the board. I have a space over here. I do it, but you should do one page only. One sum. In the PDF, if you see, you can find out. I have written like that only, isn't it? One page, one sum. Neatly written. Even you should write like that neatly. Understand, children? A fruit seller. A fruit seller had 89 bananas. Had 89 bananas. He sold 52. Leave on a line and write this, okay? When you're writing in the classwork, leave on a line and write. He sold 52 bananas. He left with dash bananas. Bananas. Yes. See, what's the heading? Word problems. First sum, a fruit seller had 89 bananas. How many bananas he is having? Fruit seller 89. So write in the first step 89. Next. He sold 52 bananas. How many bananas he is selling? 52 bananas he sold. He's having 89. In the 52 he will sold. Okay. Then how many balance he is having now? We should find out. So just now we did the subtraction sums, isn't it? Like that only we should do here subtraction. Minus symbol is there here, isn't it? So like that we should do. Understand, children? So how to do? First do ones this side, tens ones this side. 9 fingers, keep 9 fingers. Then fold how many? 2 fingers fold. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Balance. Next keep 8 fingers. Keep 8 fingers. 8 fingers like this. Then fold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fold. How many balance? 1, 2, 3 balance. Right here 3. 8 minus 5 3. Total how many bananas he left with him? 37 bananas. So write in the box here 37 bananas. Understand, children? Yes. Once again I'll tell this. See. A fruit seller had 89 bananas. He sold 52 bananas. He left with 37 bananas. So, first, how many bananas he's having fruit seller? 89 bananas, right in the first step. Next, he sold 52 bananas, right? 52. This is a subtraction sum. I should write the symbol also, minus symbol. Then do the sum. Tens ones, start from ones this side. Keep how many fingers? 9 fingers keep. Then fold how many? 2 fingers fold. 1, 2. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here, 7. Next, keep 8 fingers. Fold how many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 balance. Written here. So totally how many bananas he left? He left with 37 bananas. Understood the sum? Yes. Only one page you write the first sum. Second sum I'll write it there, but you write it in the next page. Understand children? Write it in the next page. In the PDF also I have sent it. You can see I have written only one page, one sum like that only. Even you should write it neatly. Understand the first sum? Yes, come to the second sum. Ashit had 67 sweets. 67 sweets. He distributed 54 sweets. He distributed 54 sweets. He is left with dash sweets. Let's see. I'll read the question again once. Ashit had 67 sweets. He distributed 54 sweets. He is left with dash sweets. We should find them. Okay. How many sweets is having? Ashit had 67 sweets. So write it in the first step. 67. He distributed 54 sweets. How many sweets? 54. Write it in the next step. Then we should do the subtraction. Understand? So how to do? Keep how many fingers? 7 fingers. Keep 7 fingers. Fold how many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balance? 1, 2, 3 balance. Right here. 3. Next, keep how many fingers? 6 fingers. Fold how many? 5 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balance? 1. So how many sweets he is left with him? He is left with 13 sweets. Understand children? First he had 67. In that 54 he will distribute them. Now he is having balance 13 sweets with him. Understand the two sums also? Write it in the separate pages neatly. So what we did today, subtraction sums, then statement sums, then one more main I'll teach you, then I'll give the homework sums. Subtraction sum, one more main is there, I'll do with that. Have you understood these two sums? Shall I raise it? One more time, you want me to explain? Yes, one more time I'll say. You can understand it still well. I'll tell one more time. So, first main we wrote the subtraction sums. After that you open the push page and written word problem setting. Then start the first question. Leave a line and write. A fruit seller had 89 bananas. He sold 52 bananas. He left with 37 bananas. So 89 bananas he had. 52 he sold it. Now 37 he's having balance. Okay, how to do you know now? Finger key, fold and write. After doing, you can check it by drawing circles. You can check also. 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 is there. Cut 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then this is correct. Then 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut how many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 balance. Understand? Like that you can draw the circles and check it. If you do in finger keeping and folding, that is enough. Just one more method, circles drawing and to check the answers I am showing. This sum also. Ashit had 67 sweets. He distributed 54 sweets. He is left with 13 sweets. So, first he had 67 sweets. 54 he will distribute. Then how many balance he is having? He is having 13 balance. So as I told, keep it fingers, 7 fingers, fold it 4, you will get 3, and keep 6 fingers, fold 5, you will get 1. Like that only you can check also by drawing circles. 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut how many? 4, 3, 4. How many balance? Understand? Next, this side, draw 6 circles. Cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balance? 1 balance. Understand how to do this, mate? Yes. Next. Keep ready. Next, main. Shall I clear this? Are you writing in the classwork, children? Yes. Next main. Subtract. Borrowing sums. Subtracted borrowing sums this one. 63 from 90. I'll tell you how to do. From 69. Yes. How to do? 63 from 90. So, first write tens, ones. Okay. 63 from 90. This one, circles. Tens, ones afterwards, right? Circles. Circles, this is the borrowing sums. Okay, subtraction with borrowing sums. Don't get confusion. Slowly you understand how to do. First, you should write all these sums. What we are doing when they are given 2 digits. First 2 digits we are writing in the first step. Second in the second step, like that you are writing. But in this sum, from number you should write first. Okay, 63 from 90. After from what is the number is given here, that number you should write it first. 63 from 90. So 90 write it first. Minus, then write 63. Understand, children? Yes. Here also, tens, ones, then 2 circles. From number write it first. Then write next number. That is 69 write first. From afterwards, what's the number 69? Minus 30. How to do? See. How to do? First see right side. From 0 can we minus 3? All these days your number was there here. If it is 7, 6, 8 like that, any other number, you are keeping the finger folding and you are writing. But see here, 0 is given here. 0 minus 3 can we do from 0 minus 3? No. That time you should borrow one number from 9. Borrow one number from 9. So that time 0 will become 10. Okay, from 0 we can't minus 3. So we have taken one number. Borrowing means taking. We have taken one number from 9. So it will become 0 will become 10. So write that in the circle. Next, from 9 you have taken one number, isn't it? So for example, see if you are having 9 pencils, one you will borrow to with your friend, isn't it? You will give to your friend. So from 9, if we borrow a number, here it will be there only 8. Okay. From 9, if you given one pencil to friend, you will be having only 8 like that. That number you should write in the circle. Now, what the number is there in the circle, from that you should do subtraction. What's the number is given in the circle? 10. 10 fingers keep. Fold 3. Fold 3. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write the 7 in the Circle. Sorry, answer. Understand? Next. 8. What's the number written in the circle? That number of fingers you should keep. Keep 8 fingers. 8 fingers keep. Okay, 8 fingers. Then fold how many? See the second number? 6. Fold 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the balance? 1, 2. Right here. 2. Like this you should do. Understand? Come to the next sum. See the next sum. From number, write it first. We are written. Then 33, written second step. From 9, can we minus 3? Yes. From 9, can we minus 3? You can keep 9 finger and fold 3 and you can write. So, no need to borrow. Okay, sometimes they'll give. We can't borrow also. Directly we can do the subtraction. 9 fingers. So, we can do this. We can keep the 9 fingers. 9 fingers keep. Fold how many? 3 fingers fold. 1, 2, 3. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balance. Next, keep 6 fingers. Keep 6 fingers. Fold how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 balance. 36. 69 minus 33, you got 36. Understand? One sum without borrowing, one sum with borrowing. Both they will be given. So you should understand. Next, one more sum is the third sum. Shall I erase the first sum and do the third sum for you? Yes. First and second sum, have you understood? Copy the third sum. Leave so much gap and do on mixer. Third sum. $48 from 62. Now 2 sums I have shown you. Third sum, you can explain me now how to do. What's the first step? First step, write tens once. Next step, draw 2 circles. Finish. Next, 48 from 62. From afterwards, what's the number? 62. That number, write it first. From afterwards, what's the number? That one. Then 48, write it second step. For minus 40. So this much you know. Now, how to do? First come to the tens. Once tens and ones is given, once this side. From 2, can we minus 8? From 2, can we fold 8 fingers? No, we can't do. That time what we should do? We should borrow from 6 one number. 2 is there. We'll borrow one number. We'll take one number from 6. So 2 will become 12. Okay, write it in the circle, 12. Then from 6, we have taken one number, isn't it? From 6, we have taken one number. So 6 will become 5. You're having 6 chocolate. 1 chocolate you are given to friend. How many it will be there then? 5, like that only. From 6, we have taken one number to the 2. Now it's left here only 5. Now this much finish. Now see the circle number. Circle number you should see and do subtraction. Now what's the number is given in the circle here? 12. 12 minus 8. 12 fingers do you have? No. You don't have 12 fingers to keep. What you will do that time? You can draw the circles and try 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cut how many? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the balance? 1, 2, 3, 4 balance. Okay. Then keep 5 fingers. 5 fingers keep. Fold how many? 4. This you can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1 balance. Okay. Like this also I can do. One more method also it's there. See, from 12 can we minus 8? We can do, but we don't have the 12 fingers. That time what we should do, and we don't want to do with the circles also. After 8, count up to 4. After 8, count up to 12. After 8, count up to 12. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers you are folding? 4. Like that also I can do. So, how many mains we wrote today? 4 pages, isn't it? Subtraction sum, statement sums, then this main. Today, classwork up to this enough, and remaining still 3 more things are there. Multiplication that I'll do next class. Now keep ready. Homework. Shall I write this? Classwork up to this, it should be written in the today's classwork. Okay, subtract sums, statement sums, and this remains. It should be written neatly. You can see through the PDF also, and you can write quite slow. Or if anybody didn't see the online class, or if you see the online class and written, that is also okay. But it should be written neatly. Okay. Classwork finished. Close the classwork. Keep ready. Max homework book. Today's homework sums will give. Today's max homework. HW. You know now, daily you are doing homework. In the previous class, what homework I gave? In the previous class, subtraction tens. Isn't it? One sum I'll show. Remaining you should do. Today just subtraction sum. We did in the classwork now today, children. Same main I'll give. Practice. Numbers will be changed. Don't see in the classwork and write it off. I know you will do that. That's why I'll change the number and give. So heading right, subtract. Today's homework sums. So I given 5 sums, 1 sum I'll show. Remaining you should do it. Already you know how to do. Just now we finished the class of, isn't it? Subtraction sum, tens and ones. First you will do this side once. 54 minus 41. Do this side first. Keep how many fingers? 4 fingers keep. Fold how many? 1. How many balance? 1, 2, 3. Then come to the tens this side. Keep 5 fingers. Fold how many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 balance. Okay, like this also you can do. Or some children you can try the next this main also by drawing circles. 4. 1 is given, 1 cut it, 1, 2, 3 balance. That also you can do. 5. 4, 5. 4 cut it 4, 1 balance. This main or this method also you can use and do the subtraction. So I have shown you 1 sum remaining. Can you do at home? Okay. So 3 is given means keep 3 fingers, fold 2, 1 balance. Then keep 8 fingers, fold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balance? 3 balance rated here. 2 sums I have shown. Remaining 3 sums you should do. Keep finger, fold it, balance. What is the left number? That one you write it down correctly. Understand? Take parents' help, understand well, and practice. Today you write the classwork sum. Homework sums practice. After writing classwork homework, as I told you, take out rough note, practice daily tables, daily on a table practice I told you, isn't it? That also you do, practice these sums also. So I'll continue in the next class. Thank you, children.